So yes, welcome back. That after backup and restore, we'll see a file compression in Linux. So moving on to with this, we'll see what is a file compression. So what is a file compression? From your side, anyone, if they know, please let me know into the chat section so I can guess what you know and we will begin with. So yes, Raj, you're right. That is a file compression. It's a file compression. It's a method by which we can save a disk space by reducing the size of available data. Uncompressed file, a compressed file. So if we go with an uncompressed file which is 70 kb, when we compress it, it will become 20 kb. So that is how a compressed file is a collection in which one or more files are stored. We can say that we can save a disk space by reducing the size of available data. So this gzip utility plays a good role. It is one of the most popular compression algorithm that allows you to reduce the size of the file and keep the original file mode ownership and timestamp. So the original file mode, the ownership and the timestamp remains the same, only it reduces the size of that file. Compress and decompress, that is extract a file. For decompression we say it reduces the file size, displays the content of the compressed file. Test the compressed file integrity. Yes, integrity is to be maintained if you go for compression, and list each compressed file. So this is what we go with gzip utility. That is for compression. It's best for compression. And this are the common gzip commands. So if you want to compress a file, so you just write ls the file 1.txt to file 1.txt.gz. So gz will create a compression. If you want to go for multiple files, you just write your file name ls, your gzip file, and then your file names are file 1.txt.gz. You give your different file names. And if you want to go with a folder, all files into a folder, you do ls data slash then your file name dot gz, the other file name dot gz, what is holding into the folder, that is gzip -r, that is data slash. And if you want to view, you go for ls listing all those files. If you want to compress, you just go for gzip file 1.txt, gzip file and your file names. Then for uncompressed zip, you just go gzip -d file.txt.gz, and you just can see if you do a ls, you can just see your files. So this is how the commands are for compressing the file, that is a gzip file.txt, and then you can just go with viewing that ls, then you see the file, and when you just list that file, and if you want to see that folder files, so you just write the name of the folder and slash after gzip, and then you can see, okay, what are the files that are compressed. So this is about file compression. I hope you till that you have understood till now. And let's take a break over here.